How do I import my W-2 on TurboTax? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about importing your W-2 on TurboTax. So now let's get started. Many people can import their W-2 information directly into TurboTax from their employer. And here's how. First of all, you have to open your web browser and then go to turbotax.com and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Now, in the TurboTax search bar, you have to type in W2. Click on the jump to link at the top of the search results. And if this is your first time entering your W2 this year, you will be prompted to start. If you have already entered your W2, you can choose to edit it or add a new one. To import your W-2 information, locate the employer ID number EIN in a box of your W-2 and then enter the EIN and then click on Continue and follow the on-screen instructions or prompts to import your W-2 quickly and easily. You won't need to type or upload a PDF, JPG, or PNG of your W-2. Just select Upload and choose the file from your computer, and the TurboTax will automatically extract and fill in the information. So if you can't import your W-2 information, you can enter it manually or use the TurboTax mobile app to take a photo of your W-2. And that's it for the video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.